Hi, I'm back today with my update on my DIY boot decoration that did not work last time, and I want to go through and explain what did work. Before I used the Rust-Oleum 2-time Ultra Cover, I couldn't remember what the name was, and it cracked when I used it, and like I said, it says it's for plastic, but it's not flexible. So I did a test run on this pair, and I painted it with the Krylon Color Master on one side and the Krylon Max on the other, and both sides are flexible, does not crack when it bends. Besides just some black. Here is a previous pair that I had upcycled, and I kind of showed you a glimpse of them last time. What I had done is I taped around the sole where I wanted to not paint it, and then I painted the top. I had to cut off the top because my puppies had chewed around the edges, and I just used the natural seam line on the old boots and carefully cut around it. And I put a couple grommets in to run a bow through, and I thought they turned out really cute. Although this project's taken me longer than I expected. I only expected it to be one video, and it's turning into 3. So what I found is the only place that you can find a wide variety of colors is at Lowe's. They said they had it at Ace Hardware and Hobby Lobby, but I didn't look there. And anyhow, this is a Krylon Color Master, which I think they're going to. I couldn't find a wide variety of colors with the Color Max like I'd used in the past, but this does remain flexible. And I think they're going to the Krylon Fusion. No, the Krylon Fusion they're discontinuing, I believe. And the Color Max is the one they're Color Master, I'm sorry, is the one they're going to. And I asked the kid at Lowe's what the difference was, and he says he thinks the colors are more muted. In order to paint them, I end up using duct tape on the places I didn't want to paint because the painter's tape would not stick. And I used the Form B's Paint and Poly Remover to remove the paint. Wherever the paint bled through, where I had it duct tape, I was able to take a Q-tip and get that paint off. And I will show you the process of what I did. I used duct tape to tape off where I did not want paint because the painter's tape wouldn't hold. I put plastic bags in the top so it didn't get overspray in the inside of the boot. I've got them spray painted. It's going to probably be a week or 2 until I can jazz them up. For the paint to dry, it took about 10 days for the other to dry, so I can't do any more until this is dry. If you like these videos, like and subscribe and share. I have more projects coming up. I hope you enjoyed them. Be sure to leave a thumbs up at the bottom. Have a good day.